S stamp for power boiler, A for assembly of power boiler, E electrical boiler. They have marking about stamp markings. So according category have section according to ASME section 1 power boiler if need certified as per ASME stamp, then they use this stamp category. And section 4 heating boilers. So heating boiler H identify their first letter they normally stamp. And lean portable water heaters HLW and parts fabrication PRT. So another section go pressure vessels. Mostly pressure vessels maximum done in Thailand, famous about ASME stamp. So you normally have use stamp, right? Use stamp pressure vessel. This manufacturing production how to go? They can go as per stamping. So marking have use stamp, right? And UM miniature pressure vessels, small size, some like this, and fabrication part fabrication PRT. And section division 2 is section 8 now. Then U2 stamp alternative rule of pressure vessels, then they found U2 stamp. And section 8 pressure vessels, section 8 division, then U3 high pressure vessels, then U3 stamp. And section 10 reinforced plastic vessels, so fibroplastic reinforced for chemical storage something, then they have RP stamping process. Section 12 transport tanks, so symbol they identify by T. And section 12 pressure relief device, some like V for boiler pressure relief device, HV heating boiler safety valve, something pressure relief device and their valves providing these symbols. What is ASME stamp? This certification programs by ASME that rule governing about design, fabrication, assembly, inspection of boiler and pressure vessel component during construction of certified their quality control system compliant. So ASME makes sure about their fabrication, quality, about their design, and this everything compliant as per ASME code standard requirements. Product manufacturer by ASME certificate holder or certified stamp with the certificate mark according to ASME. Some like this have R stamp, U stamp, S stamp. They have certificate marking, some like this. What is key requirement use stamp? Manufacturer must meet specific requirement include some like this material specification, welding procedure, NDT procedure, these basic requirements. So this key requirement use stamp. Now. These criteria guarantee about structure integrity, safety of pressure vessel, installation confidence in end user and regulatory authority. These have certificates some like use stamp. So make sure about this F certified use stamp product, that means installations and their quality about some like this. We can make sure about they have a good quality. What are the benefit use stamp for manufacturer? Use stamp open door for global market. So have if you company have certified with use stamp, then he can manufacture international, global, some similar ISO, we have ISO system, so we know about this company product and quality maintain. So if have use stamp, then they easily know about this fabricator have use stamp qualified, that means have quality maintain as per ASME boiler pressure vessel codes, and so they recognize and easily can found more jobs. NDT company. NDT company is testing analysis technique for use industry for evaluating program material, component, structure and system characterization difference, welding defect and discontinuity. So in any case have damage or original parts, then we can found by NDT. So this can apply utilize in oil, gas sector, power generation, in medical, non-metallic or structures. Every field we can use this. Why NDT important? Because this makes sure about ensure the safety and reliability, check quality assure about product have maintained as per quality, asset integrity management and minimize environmental impact, something damage and blasting. So before we know about NDT, what going on and what product is okay, something like this. Appointing, importance of appointing NDT company ASME stamp. So why is so important NDT company? This NDT makes sure about safety, about risk and quality. Safety about some like we prepare pressure vessels that high potential hurts, right, material, high. So maybe near about working worker, that makes sure about their safety, ensure their holding everything, build up quality and their property and everything makes sure about. So if have NDT done, then we make sure about their have safety about product. And risk, insurance company place a guarantee value of ASME stamp. So insurance company deny claim if have no have stamp process, not follow as per quality manual something na international. So if have insurance, then they deny about claim. So this also important for stamping, right? Quality, about fabrication, we make sure about there have everything go as per quality manual requirement, as per code requirements. So they comply everything, every report and everything. So third point is quality maintenance if have NDT company. So in NDT company, another role what he play important, they provide service NDT, radiography testing, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testings, inspection as per product and job requirement, that like as per code section requirement. ASME NDT level 3 consultancy service. Consultancy, he make level 3 make sure about which product, which technique will go better for that job and how to be implementation and how to we go correct, some like this. NDT level 3 service for ASME pre-review and joint review duration, that NDT company supports some the ASME team visit, pre-joint review, AI and AIS. So consultant and they make sure about what requirement compliant NDT regarding quality. Preparation NDT procedure, NDT work instruction about requirement applicable code standard, or NDT training, NDT certification, NDT personal, documentation review for NDT work, documentation NDT procedure and validation NDT procedure. This part of NDT company support by level 3 he do about prepare training, certification, make sure about who perform job, him have proper certification, have he have proper training or not, some like this. NDT level 3 appointment. So if ASME stamp, then NDT level 3 need one appointment letter that from company, some like this sample. So their companies quality manager or someone can issue this letter about this based on which method that company apply, RT, UT, PT, MT, some like this. And this appointment validity may be 3 year or 5 year, some like this. And this their quality manager, he can check level 3 qualification, certification, education, training, experience, examination that meet employer written practice or his quality manuals, both compliant as per requirements. So responsibility of level 3 there. Any manufacturing have done any products, their responsibility about fabricator he make. But NDT part level 3, the appointment level 3 for use term 3 years. So level 3 responsible for NDA examination. Level 3 review their procedure, NDT report, what technique going on, the quality maintain about NDT side, NDT level 3 responsibility about. So he makes sure about exam are critical step for manufacturer, something a problem, manufacturer require estimate quality system, he can follow or not, some like this. Quality manual, manufacturer can delegate responsibility, appointment level 3, either general manager, managing director, quality manager. So anyone this position guys, he can appointment by letter, some like this letter, sample letter, no? They can appointment level 3. So he makes sure that product and they have certified that certificate they use for new bidding projects. Selection, NDT level 3 do selection, right, NDT testing and method techniques. So this based on what material thickness, what location of discontinuity, what type of discontinuity, orientation of discontinuity, type of defect, depend on this, according this he can selection. Selection equipment as per requirement there, equipment, method, technique as per this. Prepare procedure for international, national as per code standard. As per ASME section 5 article 1 T150, this procedure shall be demonstrated for satisfied to AI authorizing inspector that have consultant, right? So NDT company make their with AI with demonstration as per section 5 now for if ASME stamp requirement. So normally in Thailand famous Apawe and hard force normally AI support, AI and supervisor. So their AI come back with level 3 and they check demonstration RT, UT, PT, MT, actual going on as per compliant to procedure or not, some things. When require reference code section, a personal demonstration may verify. So normally they need for a demonstration. So NDT company also verified with consultant, make sure about their personnel are qualified and perform demonstration actual job, they make sure by AI. If your reference code section dedicate you are the demonstration in certain method, it mandatory ASME section 8 division 1 UW 51 2 or 53 contain demonstration RT and UT. So as per section 8 demonstration RT and UT, this example sample procedure some like this. So after approval they have marking about this. In this area they first preparation by NDT company, then level 3 have review and approve that, then after their quality manager something make review and approve as per quality manual, and then after consultant company AI or EIS supervisor that makes sure about them with demonstration this all procedure. So all procedure have pages around 19 or 20 pages, so that compliance. After this complete ASME team coming from the appointment by US, so maybe different country person, they come back and make audit everything again and make finalization, and then after they issue ASME stamp certificate. If fabrication shop or they have ASME stamp, then means they can easily recognize international because they have on website ASME, they can know about client, they search about Thailand, how many company have ASME certified, they have list, and they can select what company and what product he can do and what project they done and how to their quality maintain. So everything their detail they can review and they can order easily. So easily saturation market. Demonstration of NDT processor, why, what and how. So in this NDT stamp, important demonstration about procedure. Procedure means what he writing level 3, how to go job, level 3 selection, how to technique use according to product, everything, and write one procedure, that means how to process go. So this this need to demonstration with AI. That means actually how to we can compliant technician. So inspector level 2, NDT level 2 and level 1, they can go and demonstrate actual job with witness, with AI and AIS. So they make sure about every point they note out there, everything they go correct way as per procedure, some like this demonstration. So NDT performance, then requirement basic, some like this, physical environmental, employee now that he perform NDT level. What have their lighting condition, have temperature, radiation, noise, accessibility of component, this depend on in this. They check about every point. Task characterizations, pre-job preparation, equipment, procedure quality, time pressure, and task complexity. Individually different, some like knowledge, experience, his physical ability, or examiner process, some like this, and organization factor, how to the organization training, and that they can verify this all data and detail everything and make everything go correct, they can qualify that persons. So a procedure is incomplete without the qualification. Qualification done through the demonstration of the procedure. Demonstration validity, the procedure code may be time customer set, specify the demonstration. So as per maybe by customer, maybe client sometime need demonstration, or they maybe believe on ASME. So ASME need first AI and AIS consultant. They have list, so they make confirmation this everything. As per demonstration, as per ASME section 5 article 1, generally demonstration defined T150 is important. This if stamp use stamp requirement something, then this demonstration basic requirement. Other parts that we code maybe supply from other requirements, some like boiler, then we go section 1. If pressure vessel, we go section 5, section 8. So this, for example, radiography examination procedure demonstration with section 8 division 1 talk about very simple. In radiography have radiation, so they demonstration with flame, about density, about quality, something like that. So methodology of demonstration is important, but may vary. Use calibration equipment, make sure about equipment they use NDT company have calibrate or not. This check by AI consultant and make sure about this product. Consumable chemical for PT, MT, then they check about what component they use and their compliant requirement that they have certified, and personal who perform, they have demonstration, he can specify as per procedure he do or not, something like that. Some like this. So how to make demonstration? Demonstration before we have specimen, some like that we say flow. That special inside this they have some flows dimension, crack, lack of fusion, lack of penetration, some indication, right? Artificially we can order from flow tech companies, some like that. So they can prepare this special in characterization, identify location. Na? So make test piece is demonstration are very important. They represent the material and job specifying the scope of procedure, Simples have the with flow, they need qualify the range specific as per procedure. Naturally flow simple are prepared. Quantity to be tested may be specified by the code. So as per code, how many specimen requirement demonstration, so they check with AI. Demonstration, document of demonstration is critical. Equipment calibration certificate, consumable certificate, qualification certificate, personal certificate, master sample report, and demonstration summarizations. This all basic if demonstration done. So consultant makes sure about entity company use equipment, personal, and certificate have everyone, consumable product, some like that. Master report, they have everything as per proper way or not. So this audit by AI, some like this. There are be well controlled and audited during ASME audit. So everything they check every data for any fabrication shop. So this all preparation by NDT company. His responsibility about prepare this document. Some like this equipment list. They have product. They have what equipment, calibration validity, calibration date. Some like this. So level 3 control and supervising the demonstration. And inspector witness of demonstration play important role. So AI will witness only this. Every document he can check and check quality about every product, have verified every data with certified external agency about. A successful entity demonstration basically depend on 3 things: approved and qualified procedure, calibration equipment, and personnel have qualified or not. These 3 things very important. So we will discuss here. Approved procedure. This entity procedure used in job shall be approved by entity level 3. Entity level 3 shall select a suitable technique according to the job requirement. All essential and non-essential variable shall be maintained in procedure. So as per code sections, as per requirement, job requirement, level 3 procedure can meet requirement or not. And then after level 3 make approval, some like this in this level 3 make approve. And second, equipment calibrations. All instrument used in procedure need to calibrate as per traceable national standard, and calibration certificate shall be made available review by level 3 and authorization inspector. So in this certificate, some like this certificate, outside agency, they can make equipment calibrate outside and make sure about product have calibrate or not, some like this. Qualified personnel, all personnel entity perform shall be have qualified according ASNT TC1 compliant to ASME code. So acceptance criteria according this. So these have some like entity certificate, they have a training, level 3 and MD approved, they have everything, evidence, record, everything, their examination, they have certified as per compliant ASME code sections. So personal qualification with knowledge, experience, this everything they have record. So these 3 things also basic requirement. So NDT company, they can help out about NDT part, about quality maintain for fabrication shops. Flow samples. Test specimen in demonstration very important. They represent material, job specified and scope procedure. Sample which shall be approved by level 3. So this example demonstration, they have level 3 know about this flow, where have indication, what location, some like this have linear crack indication, this length, this rejectable size as per this code, total this specimen number, this total length, specimen length. So this go with demonstration, this actual demonstration with company. Test specimen have flow size, location, orientation, quantity and characterization. This every data level 3 examination supervisor know only. So before who will demonstration, he don't know about this detail. Only level 3 know, and NDT level 2 inspector, he can perform this, and then after level 3 with AI, he can review actual master report, he can do proper or not. If he have proper found indication, everything, that means qualified. Reference code section shall be consider the following specific detail requirement: personal certificate requirement, according this ASME section 5 now. Examination planning include acceptance criteria, entity procedure, this all content shall be include. Level of entity personnel, level 2 or level 1, some like examination sensitivity, such a probability of deduction, size, accuracy, record, report, this all detail in procedure must be maintained as per requirement code section. Demonstration entity procedure. In deciding entity requirement job, there are various factors considered, like entity give reference code section according to standard requirement as per this code. For ASME stamp, this requirement basic requirement. So Radiography, section 8, division 1. So follow as per this. Demonstrant qualify before use. So demonstration have done satisfied by inspector. This have demonstration in this as per ASME section 5, some like that. At least one specimen have for demonstration. Can see discontinuity, identify the discontinuity, that like. Procedure qualification defined as written non-destructive testing examination procedure qualified according to detailed requirement reference code section. So we know about how to qualify procedure. Procedure then as per code section they compliant requirement, basic requirement done or not. So we can make sure about this, and then that if we comply, that means this procedure demonstration are qualified. So if you go section 5, they have many values there about NDT variables, that means impact about, work about. So in this some like they have table essential value that we cannot change. This common normally misconception about only essential value keep in procedure, non-essential no need, but actually need all detail about in procedure as per code. If essential this, if any change, then we procedure may be requalified, redemonstration. If non-essential, just procedure revise, no need requalification, redemonstration. Now controlling various mean not letting variable go beyond under limit. So they have as per limit, specific limit about some like temperature 5 degree to 52 degree, right? So within this range have it's okay. If above this limit, or below limit, we need to revise some like this procedure. The best practice to do the various examination during demonstration using lighting limiting value of variable. We use limit value for variables. Procedure still value some like this in have minimum light intensity. So PTMT we have 1076 lakhs, then minimum requirement this. So this minimum must be maintained. If not maintained, then means not qualified procedure, right? So basic requirement we can follow as per code, basic what requirement. And article 1, ASME section 5, article 1, they comply in some like that. Personal qualification, ASNT TC 1A, other national, international standard they can use. Reference code section and qualification according to article 1 directly. In such case, qualification may be involve personal demonstration, show personal performance of examination. This means sometime demonstration not only ensure procedure, but he make technically correct about employee he can perform or not. Technician that he performer also can comply as per requirement or not. Demonstration shall be done under the control supervised by level 3. So any demonstration done under level 3 examiner who qualified and certified in that method, and supervising level 3 may be employee of the employer organization, subcontractor organization, or level 3 will monitor demonstration, guide them as per aspect. Responsibility to ensure that final point of examination, some small things they he maintain or not properly, he proper go in process or not, this check by level 3 and make sure about this demonstration very clear. So if go actual job also he can perform as per that. At least one specimen have flow whose size, location, orientation, characterization, that basic detail they have make demonstration at least. Some like this specimen have this, cracking have, root crack have, some like this detail at least one specimen make demonstration, then go as per methods. Level 3 prefer shall be carrying out examination on specimen himself to get detail of flow. Care must be exercised, so he properly maintain this equipment and master report everything. Demonstration can be done by flow specimen purchased from renovate supplier in such case. So in specimen also we can reuse same and we can produce same demonstration again. Level 3 shall be extra care such case. Report can be easily available on other form, other source, or same sample may be used many times, some like this. Level 3 make sure about this. Demonstration has done by the level 2 or level 3 examiner, otherwise supervising level 3 who is qualified, certified, perform examination method, technique, specify the written procedure. So demonstration done by level 1, level 2 or level 3 anyone, but under level 3 supervisions. Demonstration shall be a good knowledge and procedure, technique and performed. He, she shall be concerned about with requirement of variable. So they follow as per basic requirement and variable. The knowledge of demonstration give good confidence inspector and customer even the procedure. So if have demonstration as per codes tender, then we have confidence about inspector and customer also know about, we can follow as per this requirement. We have the ensure that deduct discontinuity are not miss out. So make sure this sum like this ASME section 8 division 1 procedure radiography examination. In this density and sensitivity requirement are met. So basic RT demonstration density and sensitivity, these important things. If both are correct, then means employee can perform this job correctly. So defect catching capacity are enhanced, improved. For demonstration NDT procedure for UT. So UT as per section 8 division 2. If demo UT some like that have specimen, they have flaws, we can good sample and we can do this and make sure about demonstration, we can found indication as per job. PT examination demonstration, then PT examination demonstration critical because this depend on time everything. So one sample some like that first make cleaning, after they have applied chemical, and then after cleaning, then after spray outside dry, and then after they spray outside developer, and then after the observations. So they have time limit about 10 to 30 minutes as per code sections. So this examination maximum minimum time after the pre-cleaning, excess penetrance remove, minimum dual time, time start limit timing, interpretation time, this all important in PT. Some like dual time minimum 10 minutes, dry time 2 minutes, developer after can apply, this everything observation, some like these indications. Demo for MPI, magnetic particle demonstration, very easy. Normally using yoke method, using ink, AC or DC yoke. So lifting power, only check only lifting power capacity and can found indications. These surface methods. Demonstration about lightings. For PT and MT, lighting demonstration also important. So what light intensity minimum use? As per code standard requirement 1076 lakhs minimum. So we can check according to height, actual object, how much distance they maintain lighting. So basic minimum lighting demonstration also we can follow, and we have certified this with AI. So procedure demonstration shall be include the following: technical justification document, some like this procedure, or equipment calibration, equipment list, demonstration report. This all should be maintained, and NDT company this take care about everything quality and demonstration responsibility. So demonstration procedure, we need RT, UT, PT, MT. Normally these four method basically need for demonstration for ASME stamps. Next have advantage using NDT fabrications. So NDT have saved cost about time and money and several way. Decrease accidentally about less wastage, some like this. Key benefit: increase equipment reliability, extendable equipment lifespan, cost saving through optimization, and improve safety, enhance quality control also. NDT technology play important role in fabrication, maintenance, or other creating safe environmental and cost savings. So these presentations we refer about ASME section 5 or section 8 division 1 and ASNT TC 1A guideline there. ASME stamp demonstration we do every month, we have 2 to 3 times. Just yesterday I visit about one young company, their CR3, and just before Delta Hydraulic. So many company now in Thailand, they need about ASME stamp, right? And if have stamp, so they have many job from client, many now Thailand also many PTT, some client, they basic requirement. If have that company and fabrication shop have ASME certified or ASME stamp, then they offer them boiler preparation, some pressure vessel preparation, some tank, and as per basic requirement. So NDT companies play role about NDT quality control, some like this demonstration, report, procedure, quality maintain, everything they maintain and prepare, guide them, support NDT also as well. And they appointment contract level 3s. That means they contract for 3 years. So level 3 visit maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months one time. Everything going well, then they no need to visit something now. So they maintain great value in NDT also. Thank you everyone for listening. And you have any question, you can ask me, and you can mail also in this any inquiry about this. Thank you again.
ครับผมไม่ทราบท่านใดมีคำถามจะสอบถามกับท่านวิทยากรเพิ่มเติมเรียนเชิญได้เลยนะครับถ้าไม่มีคำถามเพิ่มชักครู่นะครับขออนุญาตนะครับ
ว่าจะสอบถามพอดีโรงงานนะครับเขาเป็นระบบที่ค่อนข้างเก่านะเป็นท่อน้ำ PW กับ WFI สำหรับโรงงานผลิตวัคซีนนะครับแล้วคราวนี้เราจะมีวิธีการตรวจสอบตัวท่อได้อย่างไรว่าท่อที่เราใช้ในกระบวนการนะครับว่ามันยังมีคุณภาพที่ดีเนาะไม่มีพวกไบโอฟิล์มที่เกิดจากกระบวนน้ำที่มันวิ่งผ่านในท่อครับพอดีเราอยากจะตรวจสอบว่าท่อคุณสมบัติของท่อที่ใช้ในระบบของผลิตน้ำวัคซีนนะครับมันยังโอเคอยู่หรือเปล่า
If you have some detail, you can see my email, you can refer there. That also we have solution. I will can give detail about how to we can detect and with what NDT method we comply as per. I need to full detail about what job, what tube diameter and detail basic, what chemical inside and some like this.
ครับมีคำถามเพิ่มเติมไหมครับครับถ้าไม่มีคำถามเพิ่มเติมนะครับก็นะครับอันนี้ก็จะเป็นเนื้อหาและเรื่องราวที่เกี่ยวข้องกับการทดสอบแบบไม่ทำลายนะครับก็ต้องขอบพระคุณนะครับท่านโอเคโจสักครู่นะครับท่านวิทยากรจะโชว์สไลด์ที่มีคำตอบที่ท่านถามมานะครับไม่ครับมันมีพายอยู่แล้วรีเซ็ตแป๊บนึงครับช้ามันหายได้โอเค
Hello. Yes, you can keep detail inquiry in this email. Okay, your product detail about what have product because depend on that actual product you need to have welding or base metal and these things now. So according to I can suggestion which best method we can deduct. If have inside material we can deduct by radiography also we can deduct what have problem and something now, sir. And another if have tubing we cannot access both side. So maybe have another solution, another technique we use. Or access only one side, so we can go ultrasound testing. We have some like this another method. So NDT have many methods, right? Radiography testing, ultrasonic testing, only surface area, then we go penetrant, magnetic particle testing, something now. So I can give best solution about NDT. I have certified from ASNT America, from NDT method, NDT specialist, and I working in Thailand around 9 to 10 years now. And many company fabrication shops, more than I think 10 to 15 shops. I already have appointment and a NDT level 3s, their company for ASME stamp and another company, international company, I'll support for them, Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia, that area. So if you have any things about any questions, you can write this on mobile number also have here. In line ID also have same number. You can just send me complete detail, what product and picture product or anything I have, I can consult and get best solution for you. Okay, thank you. Anything else?
ครับถ้าไม่มีคำถามเพิ่มเติมนะครับก็นะครับต้องขอบพระคุณนะครับท่านวิทยากรนะครับซึ่งเป็นผู้เชี่ยวชาญนะครับจากไทย Nondestructive Test